In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books step by step. If you are managing business expenses, purchasing goods from suppliers, or recording vendor invoices, knowing how to properly record purchase entries is essential for accurate accounting. In Zoho Books, a purchase entry is recorded as something called a bill. This is used when you receive goods or services from a vendor but plan to pay them later, meaning the payment is on credit. Recording these bills correctly helps you track what you owe, maintain clean financial records, and generate accurate reports for your business. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so even if you're completely new to Zoho Books, you'll be able to follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple accounting and software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into Zoho Books and start creating a purchase entry. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your organization dashboard. Once you are inside Zoho Books, look at the left sidebar where all the main modules are listed. Here you will see options such as sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. To record a purchase entry, click on Purchases. This section is where you manage vendor transactions, including bills, vendor credits, and recurring expenses. After clicking Purchases, select Bills. The Bills page displays all the purchase bills you have recorded from different vendors. To create a new purchase entry, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus New button. This will open the bill creation page where you can start entering the details of the vendor invoice you received. Now, the first field you will see is vendor name. This is where you select the supplier or vendor who issued the invoice. If the vendor already exists in your Zoho Books contacts, simply select their name from the drop-down list. If this is a new supplier that has not been added before, you can click plus New Vendor and quickly create a new vendor profile by entering their basic details, such as name, email, and billing information. Next is the bill number field. Here you should enter the invoice number provided by the vendor. This helps you keep track of the original supplier invoice and makes it easier to reference later. After that, enter the bill date. The bill date should match the date printed on the vendor's invoice. Then set the due date. The due date is the deadline by which the payment needs to be made to the vendor, for example 15 days or 30 days, depending on the payment terms. Next, you will move to the item details section, where you record exactly what you purchased. In the item details field, select the product or service that you purchased from the vendor. If you have already created items in Zoho Books, you can simply choose them from the list. If the item does not exist yet, you can create a new item directly from here. Enter the quantity, rate, and verify that the amount is calculated correctly. Zoho Books will automatically calculate totals, taxes, and subtotals depending on your tax settings. If you want to keep a record of the original invoice, you can also upload a copy of the vendor bill. To do this, click the Attach File icon and upload a scanned copy or photo of the invoice. This is very useful for documentation and future reference, especially during audits or financial reviews. Once everything is filled out, review the details carefully to make sure the vendor name, bill number, amounts, and dates are correct. After verifying the information, click Save to record the bill. Your purchase entry is now successfully recorded in Zoho Books. Later, when you actually pay the vendor, you can open the bill again and record the payment against it, so your accounts remain accurate and up to date. And that's how you enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books using the Bills feature. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.